Robert Mkisa, the Director General of the Uganda Investment Authority, has encouraged traders in Kisoro district to adopt manufacturing practices to take advantage of the upcoming industrial park in the area.
Very much encourage our traders that are making money trading with our neighbors, can you do the production in Uganda? So let's have the discussion again on how do we transition our traders from trading to manufacturing. That is a very critical area, and we hope that we shall continue to work together.
Mukisa assured stakeholders that the progress in establishing the industrial park in Kisoro district is on track, with acquisition of a land title, completion of a feasibility study, and demarcation of the land borders already completed. The next phase involves discussions on financing the park's construction.
Rwanda, there's a lot of trade happening, and the reason we are looking at the industrial park is to support you to transition to become a manufacturer. We support you to transition from trading to manufacturing, value addition. That is the major message we want. So Kamara, even in the discussion on the industrial park, you also join us in having that discussion with the traders in Kisoro, that can we become manufacturers in the land, in the industrial park. How do we support you to ensure you get all the incentives for industrialization in our country?
However, some leaders have expressed concerns about the delayed progress in establishing the industrial park. John Zeimana Kamara, the former North Member of Parliament, warned that he will mobilize stakeholders to demand an explanation for the delay.
Ndenda kumanza mbasobanurire twebwe nk'abanya Kisoro, wanted or not, industrial park ikwiye gutangira. Akamajambo rijene nagatumye honare wanitenga gavuge nicho wamubwenga bivuge, nicho wabwiye Minister wa Finance Matia Kasacha ngazariye mu kibaya avuge byo asizavuze darafa mwebwe mumenye ngo akaba karabaye njewe ntangiye ibintu nibyo.
Deusbia Mjisha, the Rwojiri Town Council Councillor, expressed disappointment at the delayed progress, emphasizing the anticipated improvement in Kisoro district's infrastructure with the establishment of the industrial park.
It's very unfortunate that our government has not done what. For us, we did our part, but the government has not done its part. So we are actually also disappointed by their delays. True, something which is hitting most of the investment here in Kisoro is poor road network.
James Agaba, the councillor representing Kisoro municipality, expressed the challenges they face in responding to the public inquiries about the park's status. Agaba stated that they are often questioned by the public about the realization of the industrial park, and they find themselves without clear answers.
And here when we have Mr. Mukisa, who is the son of Kisoro, here now as Kisoro we think that it is a total disappointment, or maybe you have fears that even the government used the district to take away our land. And we have fear that nowadays in the government to have land grabbers, because if people promised us that they're going to give us an industrial park that is going to be working now, employing our youth, and up to now we see nothing on ground. We think that our land might be somewhere not going to have that industrial park.
The establishment of the industrial park is part of the government's strategy to promote industrialization. President Yoweri Museveni approved the establishment of 25 industrial parks across all sub-regions in the country in May 2021. At least 15 industrial parks have already been established in the last 6 years, with the government allocating 130 billion Ugandan shillings in October 2019 to facilitate the establishment of 20 zone industrial parks nationwide. The authorities in Kisoro allocated 620 acres of Kivaya land in Bunagana and Rukondo Town Councils to Uganda Investment Authority for industrial parks development on August 18, 2021. However, since then, there has been no visible progress on the land, leading some leaders to question the commitment of the authorities to industrialize the area.